Gagak. Balik.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait lang. Yung asawa ko ay magpapalipad ng drone for the first time. So kinakabahan siya. It's because first time niyang gawin. Ewan ko ba kung marunong ba siya. Tingnan natin guys kung successful ba. Yung tiyo ko andon. Papa ko. There. Martin. Basta yan.
What's the instruction manual?
Namguramot niya.
Read the instruction manual. Do you have instruction mapa in paper? Instruction manual?
No, we are in the 20th century.
We are in the 20th century.
Everything is on a spoken now.
There you go, DJI. First time ipalipad. Ang tanong, kung mapapalipad ba?
Put it down so it doesn't start up by automatic.
Okay. Now I put it down. Oh my gosh.
Was it the drone saying something?
Night. Did you press something to turn it on? Ate, ugma patamhuma na ni ba? Hindi layo kayo. Tiyo. Buto na eh.
La, butong gano. Nakati sila kabuntag.
Okay, now can you give me the drone?
Ang liit niya.
I agree to a lot of things here.
Okay. Yes, nalipad na rin. Pero naka-steady lang siya up there. My gosh! Oh my God!
I cannot.
Can I put it down?
Of course I can put it down. I can just pull like this.
Careful how my father's down. Oh, now it's going down. Hala. Don't! Woo!
But I don't know how to.
How to? Pa, makuha ni mong ay mong phone ana pa kay kuha na metal.
It's like here, so I don't know how to.
Lingaw-lingaw yung asawa ko eh. Lingaw siya sa ano. Ayaw magpahiram. O siya lang daw. Sabi ko, pahiram naman ako doon. Ignore na niya ako. La! La, the goat! The goat! No! Martin, the goat, huh? The goat might attack him. The goat, uncle. He's stressing out, I think. The goat. Tago!
Don't stop. don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't. Don't stop. Stop.